Hello everyone. We are learning chapter number 4, simple equations. Exercise 4.1, question number 1. What here we have to do? Complete the last column of table. Equations are given. Value of variables are given, and what we have to say that whether the equation is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, then write yes. Not satisfied, then write no. Now how it will come to know that equation is satisfied or not? So we have to put the value of variable in place of variable. વેરિયેબલ ની જે વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે એ અહીંયા મૂકવાનું અને સમ સોલ્વ કરીને જોવાનું કે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ થાય છે કે નહીં. જો થાય છે તો યસ સેટિસ્ફાઈડ, અધરવાઇઝ નો નોટ સેટિસ્ફાઈડ. લેટ મી ચેક ફોર ફર્સ્ટ. વેલ્યુ ઓફ x is 3. So here in place of x we have to write 3. So 3 plus 3, that is equals to 6. Now what is our right hand side? 0, and here it is 6. Both are not equal. So answer is no, not satisfied. Same way second. The value of x is 0. So put 0 here. 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Again right hand side is 0 and here right hand side is 3. Not same, so no, not satisfied. Now minus 3, put here minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. In this case, yes, this satisfies the given equation. So x ની value minus 3 મૂકવાથી 0 આવી જાય છે. So minus 3 is called the solution of this equation. Next is 7. So put 7 here. 7 minus 7, 0 આવે અને અહીંયા શું છે 1. So here right hand side is 1 and here right hand side is 0. So not satisfied. Next 8. Put here 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Here also what is given? 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Both the side right hand side is same. So we will write yes. Next 5x equals to 25. X equal to 0. So if we will put 0 over here, 5 into 0. So answer 0 jave. If you will multiply 0 with any number, it will give us 0 only. Our right hand side is 0 and given right hand side is 25. So they are not equal, so not satisfied. Now here put 5. So in place of x, 5. 5 5s are 25. So in this case, yes, satisfied. Now minus 5. So if you will put minus 5, the answer will be minus 25. But here it is plus 25. So not satisfied because they are not same. Minus 6 in place of m. So minus 6 divided by 3, we will get minus 2. So no, because here it is plus 2. Now put 0 in place of m. So 0 divided by 3, that is 0 only. Okay, and here our right hand side is 2, answer is 0, so not satisfied. Put 6 here, 6 divided by 3, that will be 2. Here also it is 2, so answer is yes, satisfied. Okay, now second one. Check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution of given equation or not. Bracket ની અંદર વેરિયેબલ ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે, ચેક કરવાનું છે કે એ સોલ્યુશન છે કે નહીં. So for that what we'll do, in place of n put 1 and check left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. If yes, then what will be the answer? Given value is the solution. If left hand side and right hand side are not equal, then we can say given value of variable is not the solution of given equation. Let me do it. N plus 5 equals to 19. N plus 5 equals to 19. The value of n is 1. This is given in question. How to write? Left hand side equal to, what is the left hand side? N plus 5. Find the value of this. n ની જગ્યાએ 1 મૂકી અને સોલ્વ કરો તો આન્સર આવે છે 6. And what is our right hand side? 19. So we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence n is equal to 1 is not the solution of n plus 5 equals to 19. n equal to 1 આનું સોલ્યુશન નથી. આટલો આન્સર લખવો પડે. ઓકે, નાવ સેકન્ડ, 7n plus 5 equals to 19. 7n plus 5 equals to 19 and value is -2. n equal to -2. Let me solve the left hand side. 7n plus 5. 7, then after -2 and plus 5 as it is. 7 2s are -14 plus 5. Now -14 and plus 5, answer will be -9. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. તો અહીંયા પણ same line લખવી પડશે. Hence it is not the solution. That you can write by yourself. n equals to -2 is not the solution of 7n plus 5 equals to 19. Now see, 7n plus 5 equals to 19, n equals to 2. So put 2 in place of n. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5 19. Here left hand side and right hand side are equal. So yes, n equals to 2 is the solution of 7n plus 5 equals to 19. D. We have to put p equals to 1 in 4p minus 3. So in place of p put 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 minus 3 1. Our answer is 1 and given is 13. So 1 and 13 are not same. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So answer line will be no. P equal to -1 is not the solution of 4p minus 3 equals to 13. E. Same equation but value is different. Value is -4. Same equation is here. Just put -4 in place of p. So when you will solve, it will be -16 minus 3. So -19. -19 is not equal to 13. So here also no. P equal to -4 is not the solution of given equation. You can complete the line by yourself. And last one, F. Same equation but value is 0. So put 0 in place of p, you will get -3. So here also no. P equal to 0 is not the solution. Okay. So in short, just put the value of variable and check your left hand side and right hand side are matching or not. If matching, then it is the solution. If not matching, then it is not the solution. Clear? So next question we will discuss in next video. Note down these two questions in your classwork.